how to take off your Apple Watch bands. So this is my Apple Watch, and that's exactly what we are going to do, take off its bands. So there could be multiple reasons why you want to take off the bands of your Apple Watch. A, you don't like them, they're not comfortable, or B, they are just worn out and you want to change them. Luckily, you have a lot of options. I'll put in my favorite options in the description. You can go and check them out. So if I go to the bottom of the Apple Watch, here you can see, obviously we have some sensors, some screws. So do we have to take off the screws? No, it doesn't make sense, right? But over here we can see two metal buttons. So if I press that button, I can feel that the band is starting to come out, and I just have to slide it out, and that is about it. Same thing goes for the other side. Press it down and slide it out, and your Apple Watch is free of its bands, and you're good to go for new bands. But how do you install it? That's something I will tell you as well. So to put them back on, you can see we have this metal strap. You just want to slide it in, and it is automatically going to lock itself, right? So a few things you need to keep in mind that confused me at first as well is which side is actually the inside or the outside. It can be a bit confusing. And the second one is which is the top and which is the bottom, right? So now I have figured it out. So I'll just slide it in again. And here you can see it is done. Right now I can just pull this side and tighten it up, and that is about it. Initially it can be a bit confusing if you're using it for the first time, but once you get a hang of it, it is very easy to install. Again, you just have to press the two buttons at the bottom and it just snaps right out or slides right out. You don't need to do anything else. Yes, don't make fun of me. I know this is not set up, but I just wanted you to see this. So yeah, hopefully this video has been helpful. If it has been, do make sure to like, share and subscribe. By the way, I probably will have already made a few videos on how to set this up, how to use it. So if you want to go and check them out, do make sure to do that as well.